GreenGeeks Review. GreenGeeks specializes in eco-friendly web hosting. That's something many companies look towards as they try to become more carbon neutral. However, there's far more to GreenGeeks than simply green web hosting. Here's what we like about GreenGeeks. The company offers a comprehensive product range. That means you'll find both entry-level shared hosting, as well as more powerful VPS plans here. With starting price levels that won't break the bank, there is a clear progression path open as your site expands over time. In tests we've carried out over extended periods, GreenGeeks servers have shown themselves to be fast and reliable. With a solid A or A+ ratings in speed test performance, your website will load quickly. There are also 5 data center locations to choose from, allowing you to target more specific geographic markets. GreenGeeks offers a user-friendly service suitable for almost everyone. The inclusion of many value-added features makes it a very attractive proposition. This includes a free domain name registration, SSL, HTTP2, Sitepad website builder, and more. Help is also readily available should you find yourself in need. This is made possible thanks to multiple support channels, including a very comprehensive knowledge base, 24/7 email, phone, and live chat assistance. They will even help you move your site over from an existing host if you need help with that. But not everything at GreenGeeks is perfect. There are a few downsides to hosting with GreenGeeks. For example, if you change your mind after signing up with them, refunds are only made based on hosting, and do not include setup or domain fees. While initial prices are cheap, these increase when your plan comes due for renewal. That means you can expect to pay more once the honeymoon period is over. This isn't exactly uncommon in the web hosting industry, but price hikes will always sting. Overall, if you need web hosting that's eco-friendly, performs well, and user-friendly, GreenGeeks can be considered as an excellent choice. The company is recognized by the Better Business Bureau and is rated highly by its users. Read our complete GreenGeeks review for more details. Thank you for watching.